Re-siliconed the water pump, so I'm going to slap this beast back on. I did repaint it also, still a little wet. Okay. Alright guys, I decided to come home, finish this off after I had to do some errands real quick. Alternator's on. I can't remember if I have to swap this out, but the water pump's on, thermostat housing's on. The only thing I'm not going to put back on is this heat shield back by the oil filter. I don't think I'm going to put this back on, and I believe this mount that sits here, I don't think I have that on the Integra. Pretty sure I don't. So that I'm also not going to use. So let me spin this around for you guys. There it is. That's that, guys. It's all together. It's on. It's painted. It looks pretty decent. It's not super amazing, but it's way better than what it was before. So next is to clean up the all-wheel drive transmission. I gotta put that crank pulley on, and I gotta pull this guy back off. I don't want to get this scratched up or anything, but this is all together now, guys. So like, subscribe, share the video. Thank you, guys. Cleaned up the motor, repainted it, but she's almost ready. So hopefully this weekend I'll have this all back into the Integra with the all-wheel drive transmission. But thanks, guys. Like, subscribe, share the video.